Hello everybody, I am Vivek, a member of Power Pack Indians, and my team is Astha, Sarvesh, Yuvraj and Vinay. Today we have came up with the idea of levitating cars. And to explain our idea, I'm going to explain it with the help of a representation. So basically, this car has special abilities to levitate on and make on the concept of quantum levitations. And what are the features of this? The feature of this car is as it is based on a quantum levitation theory. So, under this, the car hovers above the ground using advanced quantum technologies and potentially using superconductors, which will help to let the tires and the engine to be cool to help in run it out, and magnetic fields to achieve frictionless movement. So, what are the benefits of this? Basically, in this, zero fuel consumption is used as due to fuels mostly pollution costs. And to get out of this, the car doesn't require petrol or diesel to run it out. And even it's not an EV car. So to operate this, we don't need even electricity. And making it an attractive option for those looking to reduce the carbon footprint. It's just an imaginary, but now we are came up with this. So what are the another features? Basically, it's an AI-driven car. Basically, the car AI system assists with the navigation, safety, and control, making it accessible drivers of all skill levels. So this really sounds good. Advanced tire system. So basically, this is the most important part of this part. It's really based on quantum levitation processes. So basically, advanced tire system. It's a car levitation system which supported by NG means nitrogen gas, and which is fed in component and connected to regulate the efficiency and temperature, ensuring the stability and performance of the car. What are the services and amenities of this? Basically, it has smart car panel. You are user-friendly and interface providing real-time data, navigation, entertainment, and all like these such wow options. What and the another feature of this is voice command access. Drivers can control various systems of the car and various features just by their voice commands, which is really amazing. It has easy driving experiences. It's much smooth than other cars till now, and this, as it is an AI assistant feature, it's very easy to drive it, and even young ones can learn it out, and it's very easy to operate with any people of any age. It doesn't matter what the age of the specific person is. Potential and advantages of this car. Basically, it is an eco-friendly, zero emission of fuels and reduce energy consumption of petrol and diesels. It increased safety as it is an advanced car and AI supported, which really amazing to know that this car have backup plans to help out a driver or the people sitting right in there. This has really a smooth driving experience. The car's navigation technology provides a quite futuristic environment to the driver and the people just sitting in that. Thank you everyone for listening out.